Before Ferraris and Lambos, there were beasts like these breaking rules and breaking records. Forget chrome and carbon. This is what raw performance looked like in the 30s.
What up, guys? What up, guys?
Meet the 1937 Riley Big Four Supercharged. This special edition was called Blue Streak, a machine so rare even most car museums have never seen one. Inside the cabin is pure business, simple gauges, tight spaces, and that unmistakably pre-war steering wheel. Everything you need, nothing you don't. Now check this out, exposed metal bodywork. This car wears its skin like an armor. No paint, no flash, just raw brushed aluminum showing off every curve and rivet. It's not polished, it's proud. Look at those blue wheels. That's not just for show. It was part of Riley's Blue Streak identity, a pre-war British performance badge, and in this case, a very fast one. Even sitting still, this thing tells stories. Underneath that long, hand-formed bonnet lives a 2.4 liters Big Four engine, supercharged. Back in the 30s, this was the kind of powertrain you'd expect in hill climb monsters and rally beasts. And if you love this kind of automotive time capsule, just wait until you see what's coming on my next video. The Concours d'Elegance, a whole island full of rolling history, rare cars, and yes, even more legends like this one. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Car lovers, this is your corner of the internet.
Ladies,